China and Nicaragua focus on deepening economic integration months after signing free trade agreement. The relationship between China and Nicaragua has strengthened in recent years, with the signing of several cooperation agreements in various fields. Recently, in November 2023, 4 new cooperation agreements were signed in areas such as health, education, infrastructure, and trade. These agreements add to the growing political and economic exchange between the two countries, which resumed diplomatic ties in December 2021. Since then, many additional cooperation agreements have been signed, leading to the signing of a free trade agreement between the two countries in August 2023, which in just a few months has boosted Nicaraguan exports of products such as coffee, sugar, beans, meat, and seafood. The strategic relationship between China and Nicaragua is framed in the context of the multipolarity that characterizes today's world, which is in full global, systemic transition towards this paradigm. In the current regional scenario, emerging powers are seeking to expand their exports and commercial presence in different regions beyond the limits set by the U.S. economic architecture. In the case of Central America, China has increased its cooperation and investment with several countries, especially those that recognize the People's Republic of China and not Taiwan as a country. The first major construction project got underway in Nicaragua, with China willing to help the country build affordable housing. Nicaragua, which signed a free trade agreement with China in August, signed several infrastructure agreements, including an airport expansion project, with Chinese companies at the Third Belt and Road Forum for International Cooperation in Beijing in October 2023. The agreement is the first of its kind signed by China with a trading partner to open up cross-border trade and services, which includes financial services, and investment in the form of a negative list. The Central American country has made a high-level opening commitment with China in the fields of manufacturing, construction engineering, electric power transportation and shipping, which offers greater opportunities for Chinese companies to explore the Nicaraguan market. The relationship between China and Nicaragua also has implications for the balance of power in the Western Hemisphere, where the United States has historically been the dominant player. Nicaragua's rapprochement with China has generated panic on the part of Washington, which considers the Central American country a regional enemy and does not want it to trade with China, its biggest global rival. For its part, Nicaragua has denounced the sanctions and pressures it has received from the United States for its sovereign and independent foreign policy. China and Nicaragua have consolidated a mutually beneficial relationship based on respect for sovereignty and win-win deal-making under the multipolar paradigm. The trade relations between Nicaragua and China are based on mutual benefits and a shared vision of a multipolar world order. Both countries respect each other's sovereignty and territorial integrity, and support each other's development goals. Nicaragua and China have cooperated in various fields, such as infrastructure, agriculture, health, education, and culture. The trade volume between the two countries has increased steadily, and will continue to do so. Nicaragua and China are committed to enhancing their strategic partnership and exploring new win-win multipolar business opportunities.